Hi, in this video we are going to see the mega recruitment from the state and central universities as well as the private universities. So here the huge number of opportunities are there and the permanent assistant professor vacancies are also available, and there are opportunities for the only PG candidates and for the PG plus UG Senate as well as for the PhD candidates. So for all these different types of categories, here the opportunities are there. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for faculty job notifications in the state, central or else the private universities. So this will be very much helpful to them, guys. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UG Senate preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video. So here I am going to show you the vacancies from total 5 universities, guys. So out of this 5, 3 are the private universities and 1 is the state university and second one is the central government institute. So please let us check the vacancies one by one. The first one is the KL University. So from this one, applications are invited for academicians as well as the researchers in the following departments, and you may check down. The departments are biotechnology, civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electronics and computer engineering, electrical and electronics, electrical and computer, mechanical, petroleum, KLU Business School, Commerce Department, Journalism and Mass Communication, Hotel Management and Catering, English, Mathematics, Physics, Chemistry, Public Administration, Law and Architecture. Okay. So total these are the 19 departments are there. From these 19 departments, here the qualifications are also mentioned here. You may check down. Coming to the professor, PhD is required and associate also PhD is required. And for the assistant professor category, you must be registered with the PhD and minimum 2 years of experience and inclined to the research work. So if you are having any one of these qualifications, then you may apply for the corresponding designation, and the interested candidates may send your resume to the careers@kluniversity.in. And if you want any information or else if you want any clarification, then here the HR campus number is given, extension number is also given. Okay, you may contact to this number, guys. Okay, so these are all the vacancies, okay, departmental vacancies from the KL University. And coming to the next one is the Vasavi Engineering College. It is autonomous college, and in this one, so if you go to the careers, then you will find out the current vacancies here. And in the current vacancies, these are the departments, guys. So professor, associate and assistant professor vacancies are there, and assistant professor vacancies are there for the civil, CSE, ECE, mechanical, chemistry and physics. And here the qualifications is also mentioned. First class in both BTech and MTech is preferable. And coming to the physics, first class PG degree with teaching experience in the engineering college. Fine. And coming to the professor and associate professor, the PhD is mandatory. For example, if you belongs to the physics, if you want to apply, click on this apply now, and then it will show you the mail ID. So you have to send your CV or else resume or biodata to the hr@srivasaviengg.ac.in. Okay. So these are all the different vacancies from the Vasavi Engineering College, autonomous, guys. Okay. And coming to the next one is Atria University. So from this one, seeking full-time faculty for the 2021 to 22 academic year. So coming to the subjects, information systems and mathematics, humanities and social sciences, and coming to the physics. Okay, physics. So these are the departments here. Okay, so we are looking for qualified faculty to teach courses in various disciplines. So please find the job descriptions below. For any clarifications, you may write to us facultyhiring@atria.edu. To apply for the faculty positions, you have to download the application form and fill up and then email to the facultyhiring@atria.edu along with your CV. Okay, here if you click on this one, then the application form will be getting, guys. And these are the departments here. Coming to the qualifications and experience, So required qualification and experience, master's degree, capacity or experience for working with unconventional pedagogies, undergraduate level teaching, mentoring experience, so collaborate teaching or research, and desire to conduct active research. So these are the essential qualifications required. And coming to the, I mean, these are mandatory, and these are, if these are having, then it will be added advantage. So core competencies and the compensation. Okay, compensation is with experience, candidates hired for faculty positions are entitled to assistance of relocation. Fine. And so if you are interested, then you have to fill up here full name, email address, and phone number. Okay, current affiliation, and how did you hear about this one, current location, and upload your resume, and then click on the submit button. Okay, so which department you expertise, mathematics or physics, social sciences, or the information sciences. Okay, you have to fill up this one, or else you may send your resume by simply downloading the application form, filling up that one, and along with your CV you can send your resume to the this one. Okay, this provided mail ID. Fine. So, and while coming to the next government universities, so Gurugram University, so it is a state university. The last date is 27th May 2021. So here the university or application for the post of assistant professor in various disciplines. Okay, and so while coming to the assistant professor, I mean departments of assistant professor, Department of Public Health, Law and English. So pay level is mentioned here, level 10, assistant professor level 10 category. So the rationalized entry pay is 57,700 rupees per month, and total filled to be, I mean total post to be filled, and as per the caste category mentioned here. Fine. And application forms complete in all respects for the above post should be submitted before closing date and time as notified by the university for this advertisement. Okay. So the last date I already shown you, and few conditions are mentioned here, so you may check down. I will take you to the qualifications. So assistant professor in public health, English and law, post graduation, along with that one the national eligibility test qualification must be there, and if you are having the PhD, national eligibility test is exempted, and in your post graduation minimum 55% of marks must be there. Anyhow, some relaxation of the marks in the marks is allowed based upon the caste category. Okay, so these are the points mentioned here, guys, and I will provide all the necessary links in the description box of this video. The application fee is 1000 rupees and 250 rupees for the SC, BC and EWS candidates of Haryana. And if you are applying from other state, then even though if you are a SC or ST, then you will comes under the general category, you have to pay 1000 rupees. Okay, so it is a state university. And coming to the central institute, so it is the central institute, Mahatma Gandhi National Council of Rural Education, Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Education, Government of India, wanted experienced faculty for BBA Rural Management course material preparation. Okay, so not for the teaching, for the course material preparation purpose, they wanted the experienced faculty. And coming to the list of courses, English, Panchayati Raj, Water and Sanitation, Sanitation Management, Public Health Management, Business Laws, Rural Institutions, Planning and Development, Rural Livelihoods and Production System, and Understanding WASH Organizations and SDGs, and Cooperation and Collective Action, Rural Economy, Strategic Management and Chain Management, Sanitation and Hygiene, Accountability in WASH, Civil Society and Sustainable Development, Irrigation Management, Tribal Development Management, Resettlement and Rehabilitation, Project Management in Development Organizations, Rural Supply Chain Management, Rural Exports, Sales and Distribution Management, Agribusiness Management, and Management of Cooperatives, ICT and EMS in the rural business. So if you are having post graduation in these departments, then try to apply, guys. Why? Because they given that preferences will be given to those holding PhD, but they are not telling that it is a mandatory. So for the course preparation purpose, course material preparation purpose, in these departments, whatever I shown you right now, if you are having the post graduation also, you may apply. And coming to the payment, for course content of about 125 pages, okay, and plagiarism free for 5 chapters will be paid 50,000 rupees. Okay, and the curriculum for writing the material is posted on this website, and interested persons may send their detailed resume along with the established credentials of published works and a page of introduction to the course okay, in 1000 words that you would like to work on. You have to send all the things to your mail ID on or before 16th May 2021. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments, whatever I show you right now. So huge number of vacancies I covered here. So one is at Triya University, and second one is Mahatma Gandhi National Council of Rural Education. Second one is Vasavi Autonomous College. Second one is a KL deemed to be university, and second one is a Gurugram University. Fine. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 universities are there. And to get more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. So first of all, I am requesting you to please share this video, okay, as maximum as possible. Share this video, guys, but because so many people are looking for the faculty job notifications. Okay, even though you can't able to understand the English, at least you can able to know the university names. Okay, so by that way you can automatically look into the qualifications and whether to apply or not. Fine. So I'm requesting you to share my videos. Okay, it will be very much helpful to the candidates who are looking for the faculty job notifications. Fine. And the people who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide